My cousin finna shut them down, you hear me? Who you know got these? Nobody. What's up, guys? We are back in the same spot. Y'all already know what time it is. Look who's here. It's gift wrapping time. Let's go. My baby really loves Lily. Who's in charge of the tape factor? Cause what is this? Look, they already used this already. What's the most? It was how much? The camera. Yeah. Cause she definitely could have put this halfway and used this other side for like one video. She upstairs because they still getting stuff with it. This will be part one. Like some of us. Let me see how good stop and show the people. Show the people. And my cousin finna shut them down, you hear me? She finna be too fly. Who you know got these? Nobody. Here you go, now y'all can see the shine. Don't play with her. Oh, you see people playing on it. I just see it all day. TT, how? Part 2. This gonna be the test. If we can get this done quick before they get back. Now she goes to pop back. Oh, let's turn the camera this way. What in the world?